Do you know many people are having trouble with raising the back seats in their Chevrolet Uplander? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Lift seat back. Lift the seat back by grabbing the top edge near the upper part. Step 2. Pull lever. Pull the release lever located at the bottom corner of the seat. Step 3. Swing up. Swing the seat back up until it clicks and locks in place. Step 4. Secure seat back. Ensure the seat back is secure by gently pushing it at the top. Step 5. Adjust headrests. Adjust the headrests by pulling them up to a comfortable height. Now, you should be able to easily raise the back seats in your vehicle. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Chevrolet users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.